Good morning, students. Today we are going to start one new chapter, that is chapter 1.2, and the name of the chapter is classification of business activities. So in this chapter we have to classify different business activities. So for before starting this chapter we have to know that business is equal to industry plus commerce. मीन्स हम बिज़नेस में इंडस्ट्रीज़ की सारी एक्टिविटीज़ प्लस कॉमर्स की सारी एक्टिविटीज़ को इन्वॉल्व करते हैं. ओके, सो एज यू हैव रेड इन वेरी फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ योर बिजनेस स्टडीज़ दैट ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ इज़ इक्वल टू इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ प्लस नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी, and economic activities are further divided into three categories. First one is employment, then business, then profession. So business activities we can again divide into two categories. First one is industry and second one is commerce. So the division of business activities we have to read in this chapter 1.2, classification of business activities. We can say that business activities is equal to industry plus commerce. Okay, so industry we can divide it into three categories: primary industry, secondary industry and tertiary industry. And in the same form we can divide commerce into two categories. First one is trade and second one is auxiliaries to trade, or you can say aids to trade. As you all know that business activities means that type of economic activity which is conducted on regular basis to earn profit through, you can say, production and selling and purchasing of goods and services. So both activities are involved in business activities, which either which is involved in production of goods and services, or which is involved in selling and purchasing of goods. Good morning, students. Today we are going to start one new chapter, and the chapter's name is classification of business activities, chapter 1.2. And in this chapter we have to know about the different kinds of business activities. As you all know that business means that type of business economic activity which is conducted on regular basis to earn profit through, you can say, production or selling and purchasing of goods and services. Means in business we have to involve two types of activities which are related with the production of goods and services, and which are related with the selling and purchasing of goods and services. Means इस business में goods और services को manufacture करना, वो activities भी involve हैं, and business में आपकी finished goods की selling and purchasing की activities भी involve हैं. So we can say that business activities, or you can say business, is equal to industry plus commerce. Industry plus commerce. Industry means the activities which are related with the conversion of raw material into finished goods, and commerce means the activities which are related with the selling and purchasing of goods and services. So we have to learn both the activities in detail in this chapter. So for business activities we can divide it into two categories. First one is industry and second one is commerce. In industry we can further divide it into three categories: primary industry, secondary industry and tertiary industry. In the same form commerce is also divided into two categories. First one is trade and second one is auxiliaries to trade, or you can say aids to trade. Now you all know the meaning of business. Now we have to know about the meaning of industry. What do you mean by industry? Then division of industry is there. So industry means, you can say, that type of economic activity, because this is a part of business. So business is an economic activity, so industry is also an economic activity. So industry means that type of economic activity in which raw material is converted into finished goods. क्लियर, ऐसी बिजनेस एक्टिविटीज़, ऐसी इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ जिसमें हम गुड्स और सर्विसेज की प्रोडक्शन करते हैं, जिसमें हम गुड्स और सर्विसेज के रॉ मटेरियल को फिनिश्ड गुड्स में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. क्लियर. सो थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ गुड्स आर मैन्युफैक्चर्ड बाय एन इंडस्ट्री. फर्स्ट वन इज़, you can say, producers or capital goods. Second one is consumer goods, and third one is intermediate goods. So producers or capital goods, you can say, that type of goods which are used by some other kind of industry for their production. ठीक है, एक ऐसी थिंग जो एक इंडस्ट्री ने प्रोड्यूस कर दी है, एक प्रोडक्ट जो एक इंडस्ट्री ने प्रोड्यूस कर दिया है, और सेकेंड इंडस्ट्री उसको दूसरी चीज़ों के प्रोडक्शन के लिए यूज़ करेगा, लाइक एनी टाइप ऑफ मशीनरी, एनी टाइप ऑफ प्लांट. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ कंज्यूमर गुड्स. कंज्यूमर गुड्स यू कैन से दैट टाइप ऑफ गुड्स विच आर रेडी टू यूज़ बाय अ कंज्यूमर. ठीक है, जो फाइनल कंजम्पशन के लिए, कंज्यूमर के फाइनल कंजम्पशन के लिए रेडी है, दैट टाइप ऑफ गुड इज़ इन्वॉल्व इन consumer goods. Suppose you have purchased one shirt and that shirt is not for resale point of view, you have purchased for it by your own. Clear. So if you are using that type of shirt, so that type of shirt is known as consumer goods for you, बिकॉज फाइनल कंजम्पशन इज़ देयर. आप अपने आप पे उसको यूज़ कर रहे हो, अपने लिए आपने परचेज़ की है. सो दैट टाइप ऑफ शर्ट इज़ नोन एज कंज्यूमर गुड्स फॉर यू. In the same form, breads, clothes, you can say medicines which are used by a consumer directly, that type of goods are known as consumer. So third one is intermediate goods. Intermediate goods means that type of goods which is manufactured by one industry and processed by some other industry to convert it into some kind of, you can say, need based goods. एक इंडस्ट्री ने मैन्युफैक्चर कर दी है, सेकेंड इंडस्ट्री उसको फिर से प्रोसेस्ड करेगी उससे कुछ और यूज़फुल थिंग्स बनाने के लिए. लाइक प्लास्टिक को एक शीट की फॉर्म में एक इंडस्ट्री ने मैन्युफैक्चर कर दिया है और सेकेंड जो इंडस्ट्री है वो इस प्लास्टिक टॉयज़ भी बना सकती है, प्लास्टिक की यूटेंसिल्स में भी यूज़ कर सकती है. इन द सेम ऑफ रबड़, इन द सेम फॉर्म रबड़ यू कैन से, रबड़ का एक जो है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एक इंडस्ट्री ने कर दिया है. ठीक है, और उसको सेकेंड जो इंडस्ट्री है वो अपने अकॉर्डिंग गुड्स को मैन्युफैक्चर करने के लिए यूज़ करेगी. कुछ इंडस्ट्रीज़ उस रबड़ से जो हैं वो टायर्स बनाएंगी, कुछ इंडस्ट्रीज़ उस रबड़ का जो है कुछ और फॉर्म में यूज़ करेंगी. सो मीन्स दैट टाइप ऑफ गुड्स विच इज़ मैन्युफैक्चर्ड बाय वन इंडस्ट्री एंड सम अदर इंडस्ट्रीज आर प्रोसेस्ड ऑन द सेम गुड्स to convert it into some kind of, you can say, need based goods. Clear. Next topic is types of industry. We have learned the meaning of industry, the types of goods which is manufactured by an industry. Now we have to learn the types of industry. So we can divide one industry into three categories. So three types of industries are there. First one is primary industry, second one is secondary, and third one is service industry, or you can say tertiary industry. So primary industry means that type of industry, you can say, in which all those activities are involved which are related with the natural resource. Means you have means this type of industry used some kind of natural resources and provide some kind of raw material to other industries. Clear. ये इंडस्ट्री जो नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज हैं, नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज मीन्स दीज आर प्रोवाइडेड बाय द रिसोर्सेज विच आर प्रोवाइडेड बाय द गॉड फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. क्लियर. लाइक एयर, वाटर, sky. Clear. So some kind of you can say natural resources are used, and these types of industry convert these natural resources into some kind of valuable raw material. So that type of raw material is provided to secondary type of industries by primary industry. Clear. प्राइमरी इंडस्ट्री नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को यूज़ करेगी और इन नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को यूज़ करके उसको रॉ मटेरियल में कन्वर्ट करेगी. इस रॉ मटेरियल को सेकेंडरी इंडस्ट्रीज़ को प्रोवाइड करवाएगी. सो दैट टाइप ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़ विच आर इन्वॉल्व which are, you can say, related with the natural resources, and primary industries used these types of natural resources, converted into raw material and provide the same raw material to other industries. So we can divide it into two categories. First one is genetic and second one is extractive industry. So genetic industry means that type of industry which is involved in the activities in which, you can say, vegetables and some kinds of animals, some kind of raw material, breeds of animals are improved. Clear. And provided by these genetic industries to secondary industry in some kind of means useful form. ठीक है। ये जेनेटिक इंडस्ट्री वेजिटेबल्स को, एनिमल्स के ब्रीड्स को, उनके प्रोडक्ट्स को कन्वर्ट करती है यूज़फुल फॉर्म में और फिर वो प्रोवाइड करवाती है अदर इंडस्ट्रीज़ को। लाइक प्लांटेशन इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ जेनेटिक इंडस्ट्री, यू कैन से पोल्ट्री फार्म इज़ ऑल्सो अ टाइप ऑफ जेनेटिक इंडस्ट्री। क्लियर? Next one is extractive industry. Extractive industry means in this type of industry we have to extract or we have to dig out from the earth some kind of valuable you can say material or products. हम इसमें कुछ एक्सट्रैक्ट करके अर्थ में से निकालते हैं कुछ वैल्यूएबल प्रोडक्ट्स और फिर वो सेकेंडरी इंडस्ट्रीज़ को और अदर इंडस्ट्रीज़ को प्रोवाइड करवाए जाते हैं। लाइक माइनिंग इज़ ऑल्सो अ टाइप ऑफ एक्सट्रैक्टिव इंडस्ट्री। Clear? In the same form you can say farming or agriculture is also a type of extractive industry. We have to dig out the earth, we have to extract the earth and then find out some kind of you can say valuable products, and these valuable products are provided to the industry customer. Clear? So secondary type of industry, you can say that type of industry which is used the raw material provided by primary industry and then processed on these types of raw material and converted into some kind of you can say finished items. So जो raw material प्राइमरी इंडस्ट्री ने सेकेंडरी इंडस्ट्री को प्रोवाइड करवाया है, सेकेंडरी इंडस्ट्री उस रॉ मटेरियल पे प्रोसेसिंग करके उसको फाइनल और फिनिश्ड गुड्स में कन्वर्ट करके सोसाइटी को प्रोवाइड कराएगी। इन सिंपल लैंग्वेज वी कैन से दैट सेकेंडरी इंडस्ट्री इज़ दैट टाइप ऑफ इंडस्ट्री विच यूजेस द रॉ मटेरियल प्रोवाइडेड बाय the primary industry and convert that type of raw material into finished items. Clear? An example we can explain this the working of secondary industry. Suppose cotton is there. Clear? So producing cotton is a type of activity which is performed by primary industry. प्राइमरी इंडस्ट्री नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को यूज़ करके कॉटन को प्रोड्यूस करने का काम करेगी। क्लियर? सो ये एक प्राइमरी एक्टिविटी है, प्राइमरी इंडस्ट्री की एक्टिविटी है। सो दैट टाइप ऑफ कॉटन इज़ प्रोवाइडेड बाय द प्राइमरी इंडस्ट्री टू द सेकेंडरी इंडस्ट्री। देन सेकेंडरी इंडस्ट्री प्रोसेस्ड दैट टाइप ऑफ कॉटन and converted into some kind of cotton clothes, and the same material, that finished goods means that cotton cloth is provided to the society. Clear? So the working of secondary industry you can say start after the workings of primary industry. Primary industry provides their raw material type of products to secondary industry, and secondary industry convert that raw material into finished goods and then provide it into society members. According to the diagram, primary industry and its both the parts we have done genetic and extractive industry. Now secondary industries meaning you have done. Then we can divide secondary industry into two categories. First one is manufacturing industry and second one is constructive industry. So manufacturing industry means that type of industry in which you can say raw material or semi finished material. Semi finished means जो half raw material में है और half finished goods की condition में है, means that type of material which is not ready for sale. So in manufacturing industry means that type of industry where you can say raw material and semi-finished materials are used with the help of men and machine. Clear? So now the types of secondary industry. So secondary industry we can divide into two categories. First one is manufacturing industry and second one is constructive industry. So manufacturing industry means that type of industry in which raw material and semi-finished material. Semi-finished means which is half in raw form and half in finished form, means that type of material which is not ready for sale. So manufacturing industry used raw material or semi-finished material with the help of men and machine, means you can say you can use labor force or you can say you can use machineries also. ठीक है, दोनों में से किसी की भी हेल्प ले सकते हो. So that type of industry which used raw material or semi-finished material with the help of man and machine and convert that type of raw material and finished semi-finished material into finished goods. ठीक है, तो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री जो है वो रॉ मटेरियल को और सेमी फिनिश्ड मटेरियल को मैन और मशीन की हेल्प से फिनिश्ड गुड्स में कन्वर्ट करती है. लुक एट दिस डायग्राम केयरफुली. Industry is divided into 3 categories: primary industry, secondary industry and tertiary industry. Primary industry is divided into 2 categories: extractive and genetic. Now we are doing secondary industry. So secondary industry is also divided into 2 parts: manufacturing and constructive. Manufacturing industry is also divided into 4 categories: analytic, synthetic, processing and assembling industry. So before doing construction industry or constructive industry, we have to understand the meaning of analytic, synthetic, processing industry and assembling industry. Clear? So we have to do these 4 one by one. Very first part of manufacturing industry is, very first category of manufacturing industry is analytic type of industry. Analytic type of industry means that type of industry in which you can say many things are manufactured out of one thing. ठीक है, एक चीज़ जब हम बनाते हैं तो उससे बहुत सारी चीज़ें बन जाती हैं, तो वो इंडस्ट्री मतलब एक चीज़ से जो बहुत सारी चीज़ों को अलग अलग कर दे, कन्वर्ट कर दे एक चीज़ को बहुत सारी चीज़ों में, दैट टाइप ऑफ इंडस्ट्री इज़ एनालिटिक टाइप ऑफ इंडस्ट्री. लाइक क्रूड ऑयल. ठीक है, क्रूड ऑयल डिगिंग टाइप ऑफ प्रोसेस में है. एक्सट्रैक्टिव इंडस्ट्री का फंक्शन है. एक्सट्रैक्टिव इंडस्ट्री से क्रूड ऑयल जो है वो सपोज करो सेकेंडरी इंडस्ट्री में आ गया. क्लियर? और वो क्रूड ऑयल से अगर सेकेंडरी इंडस्ट्री जो है पेट्रोल अलग कर देती है, डीजल अलग कर देती है, गैसोलीन अलग कर देती है. ठीक है, सो मैनी प्रोडक्ट्स आर यू कैन से मैन्युफैक्चर्ड बाय ओनली वन प्रोडक्ट, थ्रू ओनली वन प्रोडक्ट. सो दैट टाइप ऑफ इंडस्ट्री इज़ नोन एज एनालिटिक टाइप ऑफ इंडस्ट्री. मीन्स ऐसी इंडस्ट्री जो एक प्रोडक्ट से बहुत सारी चीज़ों को मैन्युफैक्चर करती है, एनालिटिक टाइप ऑफ इंडस्ट्री की कैटेगरी में आएगी. ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ इंडस्ट्री, नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री इज़ प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्री. As you can see in these pictures, processing industry means you can say in which we have to use only one type of raw material and then pass through that raw material into different processes, then convert it into one finished or one final product. So that type of activities are performed in processing industries. Clear? एक raw material को different processes से पास करके जब एक फाइनल प्रोडक्ट्स बनाया जाता है तो वो इंडस्ट्री प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्री की कैटेगरी में आती है. सपोज शुगर फ्रॉम शुगर कैन. शुगर कैन इज़ अ रॉ मटेरियल दैट इज़ प्रोवाइडेड बाय यू कैन से प्राइमरी इंडस्ट्री. क्लियर? प्राइमरी इंडस्ट्री शुगर कैन को ग्रो करेगी, फार्मिंग प्रोसेस के अंडर होगा, वो एक्सट्रैक्टिव इंडस्ट्री के अंडर आएगा. सो दैट टाइप ऑफ शुगर कैन इज़ प्रोवाइडेड टू प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्री. And in processing industry we have to we have to use so many processes on that particular raw material, that type of sugar cane, and then convert it into sugar. So all these activities are involved in processing type of industry. Type of manufacturing industry is synthetic industry. Synthetic industry means that type of industry in which you can say so many type of raw materials are mixed to produce only one useful product. एक यूज़फुल प्रोडक्ट को बनाने के लिए बहुत से रॉ मटेरियल को मिक्स करना होगा, देन ओनली यू कैन फाइंड आउट वन टाइप ऑफ यूज़फुल फिनिश्ड गुड्स, यूज़फुल फिनिश्ड यू कैन से प्रोडक्ट. सो सीमेंट इज़ अ means very means related example of this activity. Cement is the example of this type of industry. Cement, for the manufacturing of cement we have to mix so many type of raw material like gypsum and coal etc. So to you can say produce to manufacture that type of cement. Assembling industry, next one is assembling industry. Assembling industry means that type of industry you can say where the manufactured parts, means the parts which are manufactured by other industries are arranged and assembled to you can say manufacture one new and useful product. अदर इंडस्ट्रीज़ ने जो अपने फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट्स बनाए हैं उन पार्ट्स को ये इंडस्ट्री परचेज़ करती है और उन पार्ट्स को असेंबल करके एक नया और यूज़फुल प्रोडक्ट बनाने का काम करती है. सो दिस इज़ असेंबलिंग इंडस्ट्री. You can say computer is the very related example of this industry. Radio, television, scooter, your motorbikes. क्लियर. आपकी जो बाइक्स हैं उसके डिफरेंट पार्ट्स होते हैं और ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो एक ही इंडस्ट्री मैन्युफैक्चर करे. उनके डिफरेंट पार्ट्स को डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्रीज से परचेज़ करके असेंबल करने का काम अगर इंडस्ट्री करती है तो वो असेंबलिंग इंडस्ट्री की कैटेगरी में आएगी. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ कंस्ट्रक्टिव इंडस्ट्री. देखो स्टार्टिंग में हमने किया था ना कि सेकेंडरी इंडस्ट्री इज इक्वल टू यू कैन से मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री प्लस कंस्ट्रक्टिव इंडस्ट्री. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री के 4 कैटेगरीज थी: सिंथेटिक, प्रोसेसिंग, असेंबलिंग एंड एनालिटिक. एंड कंस्ट्रक्टिव जो है वो सेकेंड पार्ट है सेकेंडरी इंडस्ट्री का. सो कंस्ट्रक्टिव इंडस्ट्री मीन्स दैट टाइप ऑफ इंडस्ट्री इन विच सम काइंड ऑफ यू कैन से यूजफुल works are done by using the products of different industries. Like cement, we have to you can say construct one type of flyover. So this type of flyover, for the construction of this type of flyover we use cement. So cement is a you can say product of synthetic industry. Then we have to arrange some kinds of iron rods, clear, and other products. So constructive industry you can say used the finished products of other industry, then converted into one valuable constructive work. So we can say that in constructive industry that type of activities are involved which are related with the constructive work. That type of work is permanent by nature, and the example of constructive industry you can write road, bridge, dams, buildings, etc. Clear? According to the diagram we have to divide business activities into 2 categories. First one is industry. So 3 types of industries are there. Primary industry, which you have done. Secondary industry and its parts we already have done. And third one is tertiary industry, or you can say service industry. So tertiary industry or service industry is that type of industry which doesn't provide any type of products, which provides services only. Clear? ऐसी इंडस्ट्री जो सिर्फ आपको सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करवाएगी वो आपकी सर्विस इंडस्ट्री के अंडर आएगी. So some kind of you can say facilities are provided by this industry, and charges some kind of fee, or you can say other type of remuneration. No product is provided by tertiary industry, only services are provided. Some kind of works or facilities are done by these industry on the behalf of the customer, and charges some kind of fee. Clear? Like banking industry is there, insurance industry is there, ad agency is also there. Ad agencies prepare one effective and you can say useful ad for their customer, and charges some kind of you can say fee for that type of activity. So these industries provided only and only services, not any product.